Hi guys, I brought you some food. Yeah, let's go and eat it. We'll feed the big ones, we'll feed the little ones. You see, I already started digging. That's gonna be the base for my new chicken coop. Okay, okay, alright, somebody is out already. Okay, I gotcha. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I was told there were two outside. I only see one right now. Let me catch him. Nope. Alright. Okay. I'll catch him. I'm gonna catch you, little ones. I'm gonna catch you. Nope. Nope, not that easy. Not that easy. They're already big. Aha! Got stuck. Yes. Gotcha. Yeah, no wonder why they escaped. No such a huge hole in here. Alright. Oh, he got right between my legs. Ow! I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. Yes! Got him. I need to feed them. Where's the mommy? Where is the mommy? Wait a minute. Is she inside? She's here. Okay. Or is it a chick? Who is this? No, it's a baby chick. So then where's the mommy? Okay, she's inside. Whew! Alright, alright. I'll keep her inside for the moment, but then we'll figure it out. So my BSF bin is full of little tiny flies, but I don't know if that's the flies we are looking for and why they're so tiny and when we're gonna get the worms, but I'll keep waiting. And let's check the eggs. What one is here? Okay, we got 3 eggs. The white ones are fakes. Okay, now we got a good chance to see how the eggs from the black one looks like. Of course, if she is actually doing something, not just resting. Okay, but we'll figure it out. I'll check her later, maybe in a couple of hours or a little less than that. Time to dig. See how deep we got. 26 inches. Now we're measuring and moving the stuff away. Less and less baby plants on my table, which means that we already planted most of them, and that's a good thing. But there's something tricky in here. Look at these guys. You see? Where are all the leaves? And I got an answer. That's my mom. She just cut them off. She said, "Oh, it's bad. It's it's sick," and just chop them off. I mean, all right, but what if I have another opinion, huh, mommy? That's not really good. I want to do it my way. I want to, to do my own mistakes. But it is what it is. Anyway, experiment. So these two, are the mango branches that I cut from the very tasty mango at a church. And I did as I watched on YouTube, that if you cut the branch and put it into the sand and put it into the water, so the sand is always a bit wet, in a month it's gonna give you the roots. So it's been more than a month already, I'm pretty sure, and I wanted to check if it's true, if I got it rotten completely, or if I got something in here and I got some roots. I want to check it right now. It's wet. It's very wet. I checked it. So I just pull it out. Unfortunately, no, failed. Life hack failed. The second one failed as well. So no, it didn't work. I will have to use some kind of other method to get those beautiful mango trees in here.